they are cursed. Since the country named freedom fighters are Kwastia Jimmy for Red Wake on. Didn't they curse themselves at the independence? No one knew the implication of it. Me call this guy group ningu ya boy Yahudia now also ya swa Ghana ma Ekufuado me papa what's the more mobo. Oh man, me patcho me pediana oshe suit no. Me pediana oshe suit no. Ekufuado ho amobo. Ekufuado ho amobo. Ekufuado de babunu say free education Kobe. It helps the youth. Mo amopese mo ko school, mo ko school. Mo amopese mo ko technical vocation, mo ko TVET. It's for the youth. Enyanko krafo ne mrewa for the youth. Ekufuado say, "Opesa we galamsey ya Kotakwa School of Mines, responsible mining. Yen training mo kakra 6-month course so say then how to do this little small scale mining." Yes, that is the video I want. Ekufuado say, "And then me den kolan kiti eba me government a position on the vintage points na you say the youth is involved in the governance of Ghana." And then your cabinet, you were as young as 35, 34-year-old MPs are omu cabinet here, omu kura youthful minds. Nini na Ghana bebunu so huye. Nembom, yang sisa mungu kemu, okatechie frifa, embassy mungu kemu, Avram Kwasiye Moshe, embassy mungu kemu, Jimmy from Jimmy, Captain Jimmy, and from mungu kemu, ni yamamu 50 Ghana. Yan famu ko Independence Square. Yan ko fashion up. Yan ma fa wonsan to apampam na bo hu dia. Eno ye papa chin free education. Ekufuado wa ya moden. Papa yi wa ya moden. Na mo time no amu ka no ho asembone no na afei papa yi ni di te na wiase amansan. We no obeyo summit ya osiani Nana Akufo-Addo. We no obehia ya ohia Akufo-Addo. Obi koma seminar woni krom o pese ono man kasa na o man na kuma to ne yam o se Akufo-Addo. Ghana ni na Akufo-Addo E7 na o peja yedi wa bonten ne se de be ya nkwasiafo party bi beba pa wenti yakwagiska se de be ya abodanfo party bi enyansa ye frɛ ni nyansa wo mu ni bi nto ma ekoyi nkwasiafo leaders ama mu sai party no so man kese wu se sai party. Wujina ho su se wutiri so no wa pampa so yentu anapko foka. And so we say a rejected budget in Kenya because of 1% e-levy. Once we are Jimmy for wujina mu come and anapko sika maye and the teachers training allowance, nurses training allowance. Abuwe president be betwa mu. President be obetwa nurses and teachers allowance nimu. And then the akamu 3 months into mukem. Akamu 3 months into mukem. Napco dear, I come with 3 months in China, the Napco for Muka, Meti, and Namus and Napco Ukraine. Namusia and Tro, Napco, Musia Kufado, Yashi, and Yano Crack 2020 Yakotuaba, Mama Kasia, Jamfi, but now the catcher must say, Napco, the papa, and Muji, yes, and Napco, the papa, they knew her. I fed the Napco for Sikakem, most of my trophy, Jimmy for Yansen with him. Monsa mu ye kontompe na brabafo a nyankopo bepa musontoma egum animu aside bia NDC fo mode mo nsa benkum oje no na mode nifa na ikata so mo ya brofo a ye ntumi fa mu man NDC fo mo ye wicked fo a ye ntumi fa mu man na me bonya me mpan ye se mo ma NDC mba power bi oda NDC ho nya tantan tanking party bia o Ghana because a junior your friend a junior ye digire nipa ho no ebi ni NDC fo tirim. NDC for to me continue platform to me say MPP the omoba or mind be ye be ya na enkrofo to my dry adentia because sika na ye dis yes your mind no ye entertain fan ma food soldiers se munkodi sika na sebe ye dem fan food soldiers I want to brofo wonim dia worka no ye fan man krofo bi se wo munji nkodi ye dis yes ye Ghana na sa wo so play with position correct Ghana benya baby agina Mama yenja Jimmy no na yemfa no kure enya say mentias yo Ghana ni be kwa kotie ntro IMF the figures ababonten or say there be Yeah, try Sammy Jenfi figures. Sammy Jenfi so nyɛ adwuma IMF. Sammy Jenfi on Malone. Sammy Jenfi on your loan agreement to put when we say we call her. Now World Bank the figures about one thing. Was the World Bank at the end of the 1 year noon to 1 year na begia to who China da braka NDC for a press conference and son why the figures are too. All because you want Mahama to come back. Mahama was once a president. Now South Kasa way na yahine na no say tutu Krobia Sante Kotoko hene eka ya omo a omo adwene nya adwuma womo a womo papa no mu ni nyansa one government only policy there be yeah dey any policy inti momo dey na dey yeah dey na say ye kana wa mpene a na ye the veranda boys ne azoka boys ne mule ajimifo no na ye de omo aba na ameska kakrama okateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share ajimifo bi te say Kofi Blay no yellow say mon konko ye a way demonstration na wadwene ye adwuma for the first time wo de wosi we su hu ya wo so wo de wo ye jimifo wo ye NDC ni jimifo na we su hu ya for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants aye they assemble cars abagana we nyansania me nyansani ntini minim say nne na ye hihye ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e dia nkura nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane Mahama Into my shop as a Mahama and Kwan bet to me as a Ghana for 4 years. What Jimmy o? Momo be brave watching in Yajumo. Obia ye minister. Why ye MP? Why ye vice president? Why ye president? Once sa Ghana. Hey. When you serious? I can't 4 years, but. So now do you see the agenda? Ye metungu mene ye ndiska. President Mahama di oba obechiska obi abedibi. Say I did a 2022. So we'll be a nomination now. We'll call you new party executive, sir. Then they can choose to change him. But right now, he has to serve his mandate.
And I don't speaker of parliament, my friend. Sababu,
Babe.
I need to know you too much, I don't know. But that's my friend, one to my friend, one to my friend.
To my friend, privileges committee can call him. I think he's not above that. He's not above that. Yo.
I want to work from now to another thing on them. Opportunity baby can master me. So you won't tell us today, yes, a man will I want to one friend. I want to work from.
I do a friend.
I would have done another after you be there. What I am great was great. You never do a way you think there. You pay 50. Then why you pay you pay. You pay out some of it.
No,
you know, Mr. Ring, I am not a direction.
That's not
it.
Me I saw na. Me that's do.
Elliot my pa, I mean sure. I say.
That's me that's it.